Hello guys, today I will show you how to decrease the file size of a picture in macOS without installing any extra programs. In this example I want to upload a file as a YouTube thumbnail. Then the file size has to be below 2 MB. To do that, right-click the file and hover to open with. Here select Color Sync. From here, simply press File, then Save As. Make sure to select JPEG and leave the quality bar as it is. Save the file. Congratulations, your file size has now been reduced. If the file size is still not small enough, repeat the process with the newly saved file until you have your desired file size. That's it. Nice. See ya.